Check it out. Check it out. Watch this. Birdies, do you want a chip? Oh my god! That is insane! Oh my god!
He's a freaking out.
Look, he's on the roof. Oh my god! Oh, that's wrong! Ooh, they're mad. Look at them, they're mad. You want one? Ooh, I'm afraid to get out. We gotta drive away. There's no way we're getting out of the car. It's like a horror movie.
Ah! Dang!
You scream like a little girl. Are you okay?
Oh my, this is freaking.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Where the?
They're on us.
Ah! He went right from the top. He went like over. Get out of here right now.
Why?
Oh,
He'll follow us. Pretend to feed him something.
Put the windshield wiper on. I dare you.
He's like, I don't care.
You filming?
Yeah, I am. Poor squirrel. You were just gonna feed the squirrel, and these things. Poor little guy. He isn't suffering as he goes because he's fat.
He's in his hole. That was intense.
That was scary, wasn't it?
A little bit.
Jeffrey. Help me, Jeffrey. Oh, there they are. Pretend again. Watch this.
I don't like that.
I know, it's freaky.
Jeez, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Like
Look at their
drooling.
feet. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is going to make some intense video. I could totally cut this up and... Okay, that's going to make awesome video.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't know, but I'll do something with it. Have you guys figured it out yet, or are you too stupid to figure it out? Oh, look at that.
You're way too entertained. You know this.
Don't look at me with those cold, dead
He
eyes.
looks like a dodo bird.
Look at him waiting. Mine? Mine?
Mine?
Mine? Okay, watch.
Stephanie! Get out of here now! Get out of here!